Welcome, teens, to your ultimate after-school guide. In this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step nightly routine to help you unwind, recharge, and prepare for the next day. Let's dive in. Step 1: Arrival home. After a long day at school, the first step is to safely arrive home. Make sure to put your backpack and shoes in their designated spots. Step 2: Snack time. It's snack time. Grab a healthy snack like fruits or nuts to fuel up for the rest of the evening. Step 3: Homework time. Let's tackle those assignments. Find a quiet, well-lit area to focus on your homework. You've got this. Step 4: Relaxation. It's time to wind down. Engage in relaxing activities like reading a book or drawing before getting ready for bed. Step 5: Night prep. Lastly, get ready for bed. Brush your teeth, wash your face, and pick out your outfit for the next day. And there you have it, tweens. Follow these steps for a smooth after-school night routine. Don't forget to get a good night's sleep for a productive day ahead. Please do like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.